Welcome to the tutorial of FreeScan Omni. It's Yang from Shiny 3D. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the scanning section. Let's start. Before scanning, it's important to understand the difference between laser and IR modes. Laser mode offers high accuracy and high material adaptability, allowing it easier to capture data from reflective or black objects. However, it requires markers for data alignment, meaning that you need to place markers on objects prior to scanning. In contrast, IR mode provides more flexibility by allowing you to choose between features, markers, or a hybrid approach for alignment. For objects with rich geometric features, IR mode can effectively perform scanning without the use of markers. Nonetheless, when it comes to reflective objects, IR mode may encounter difficulties in capturing data, making laser mode the more suitable choice for this type of materials. Set the resolution according to your detail requirements and the object size. For instance, 0.5mm is appropriate for this one. Then press the scan button to start the process, utilizing 93 laser lines for fast and smooth scanning experience. During the scanning operation, pay attention to the histogram on the left side, which indicates the scanning distance. Maintaining an optimal distance will yield the best data. For areas with deep holes, switch to single line mode and enable deep hole mode to capture data inside these recesses. After completing the scans with both 93 lines and the single line mode, transition to partial resolution mode and utilize 25 parallel lines for more detailed data acquisition. Set the point distance to standard or high, which correspond to half or quarter of the current point distance. Then press the scan to continue. When the color changes to purple, you can stop and move to the next part. Once all scanning is complete, press the scissor icon to edit the data. Followed by pressing the mesh to obtain the final result. For mesh optimization settings, you can either use the recommended parameters or customize them to your preference. When scanning large objects, photogrammetry significantly enhances the volumetric accuracy. To begin, select photogrammetry as the scan mode and import a scale bar file by scanning the QR code located in the middle of the scale bar. Next, place the scale bar around the object and press scan to initiate the scanning of the global markers. The scale bar will appear on the screen once two coded markers are detected by the scanner. Additionally, the scale bar can be reused. After scanning one part, simply move it to the next area and continue to scan global markers. Once all markers have been scanned, press scan again to stop, and click on Generate GMF to obtain optimized high volumetric accuracy global markers. You can save the global markers file, which will be accessible in the Resources section. After that, press Scan Mesh to begin scanning. For IR mode, I will scan a car seat. Based on its size, I will set the resolution to 1 and use features for alignment. With plane detection enabled, scanning will pause if a flat surface is detected, helping to reduce alignment errors. It's important to control the scan distance and move the scanner slowly. Creating a cutting plane can also help minimize the capture of irrelevant data. The data editing process is the same as in laser mode. Simply delete any unnecessary data to proceed to the mesh stage. Additionally, when connected to a computer, you can utilize the stream scanning function for an enhanced scanning experience. You can connect via Ethernet cable or use a smart dock. When a scanner is placed on a smart dock, they will connect to the Wi-Fi provided by the dock allowing you to create a new project on a computer and enable stream scanning. The scanning process remains the same as in the normal mode, but most of the data calculations are handled by the computer, resulting in a faster and smoother scanning experience. So that's the part for scanning. In the next tutorial, I will show you how to do inspection on scanner. Thanks for watching.